In this video, we will be showing you how you can reset your MetaQuest 3 PIN code. First is to press the Meta button on your controller to open the universal menu and select the clock and head to Quick Settings and find the settings. Now choose the passcode and security, which is next to passcode. You can select the reset and enter your old PIN and then your new 4 to 16-digit PIN twice to confirm it. So in case that you have forgot your PIN and you can't reset it, open the app and tap the menu icon and scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap Reset Store PIN. Now tap Forgotten PIN with a question mark and then click the Request PIN Reset and follow the email instructions. You can also do this using the Meta website. Go to secure.oculus.com/forgotpin or auth.meta.com and click Forgot PIN or find the PIN section. Click Request PIN Reset and follow the email instructions to set a new one. And that's how you can reset MetaQuest 3 PIN code, and thank you for listening.